Okay, cool. So I'm going to be I realize I put myself in injustice with the edge angles that I get myself into. But anyway, I'm going to be quickly coding a a login page. So basically, basic login page, vanilla JavaScript, no styling, nothing. Just to get the function, just to get the login page there, the inputs there, the buttons there, and the functionality running. That's it. It's just to test out some of the JavaScript I've been practicing on. I think the login page is simple enough for the concepts I've covered so far. So let's get down to it. Come and rescue me. Take me out the club. Take me out the trap. Take me out the market. Okay, cool. So I just have to share my screen. We'll share the VS Code screen, okay? Cool. How do we make this half a page? Oh, I had it there. You know, I need to Google. Yeah, like that. VS Code can run here. Yeah, although I'd like this thing to be this side, to be honest, something like that. And then VS Code can run here. How do I make it like half? I don't know. You know, you do that and then it's like, yeah, I had it like that, yeah. And then you can bring this down and then you can try that there. This here. So let's see. Okay, cool. I was just doing it myself. Then I was like, this is good content. I can actually do it on camera as well, you know. So I thought, why not, you know? If not, why not? So yeah, let's get this going, okay? Okay, cool. Yeah, let's get going. Let me take this. Yeah, I don't want to bother. It will bother regardless of where it is, to be honest. Cool. Let's go, okay? Let's just take out CNOT. We'll do everything from scratch. Yeah, I'll do everything from scratch. Okay. We'll get the HTML boilerplate. As I do, I'll tell you what I'm doing. Just getting HTML boilerplate up quickly, so I don't have to flip and write anything. And then now, let's just say this. Okay, cool. Now let's okay, I'll always start with like, well, to be honest, when I start like this, because I'm not creating the functionality just yet, but just in case I forget, I'm going to link my JavaScript file. It's O4.js, huh? .js. Cool. Yeah, JavaScript file linked, okay? So let's see if it is linked. We'll see later, okay? I'll see if it's linked. I'm not sure if it's double script tags or one. Everything's a learning simulator, okay? So we're gonna change this here that says documents. We will change it to user login page. Okay, cool. So do that, you just change the title tags up there. Hasn't changed. Why not? Let's see something. This is not it. What did I do wrong? I did something very wrong, yeah. This is it. Okay, cool. I don't know why it's saying this all this time here. I don't know. What's wrong? You know, let's just restart again. Let's just restart it before the page. Cool. Maybe that. I must have tagged something as well. Okay, cool. So user login page. Let's just save this. We take that one this in here. Okay. You know what? It's so wrong. I don't know what's happening. I almost feel like it's restarting this video, but you know, it's good to show like the errors we make and stuff like that. So no one thinks they're invincible, you know. My server. Cool. Now we have a new one up and running called documents. We can call this user login page. Okay, cool. User login page, so that's changed. Okay. Then we won't create the JavaScript yet. Okay. We'll just put some paragraph tags and call this please enter your username and password. Cool. So we got that. Cool. Now we want some input tags. We want the user to be able to input in. Cool. Input. So the user will input a username. So type is going to be text. Type equals text. Oh, see lazy text. Yep, text. And then placeholder, because I want inside the thing to say like username. I'll show you. Let me just not put that the placeholder to show what everything does. So text, I got the input tag. We can write text. That's nice. Now I want in here to say like username to tell them what field that is. Okay. So I'll put a placeholder here. I'll add a username. Cool. Now it says username. Okay. I want the second input tag down here. Input password. Okay. But I think let's see what that looks like. It's next to each other. It's fine, but I want one below each other. So I'm going to do a insert a line break there. Cool, it's too close together. I'll insert another line break. Cool, that's nice. Okay, placeholder username, now text, placeholder, this is password. Password, cool. Let's check out looks. Into username, into your password, that's nice. And then we want to create a button to say login. Login, okay? Login. I go with the button, sorry. Login. Cool. I want the button to be below, so let's enter the line break. Then I want it to be more below, let's enter that line break. Cool. Nice. Username, password, login. Nice. So blah 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 login. Cool. Cool. Username, password, input type, password. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's it, okay? Okay. Why is this not yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's it. I think from what I want from my page. So I've created that. As you can see, it's very simple. Now it's time to do the JavaScript part of it, okay? Let's see here. Script tags. Is it tags? I think it's one tag, to be honest. Let's just keep it like that. Script is source equals source equals we'll reference the O for the JavaScript, so we're referencing the JavaScript. The script shall just give you your what file you're referencing. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's double script title one, to be honest. Doesn't matter, we'll see if it works. Okay, cool. I've got everything working. Now let's create the functionality for this. Okay. So what do I want it to do? So I want you to enter the username and enter the password and click login. I'm thinking already of trying to do something more advanced where basically I'm thinking of doing something more advanced where I give a username to myself and I give a password to myself, and it only works if that's typed in. But that requires like if tags, and to be honest, I haven't yet come to the if tag part of it for JavaScript. Python, I'll do this quite easy. But yeah, let's go now. Okay, so we're going to create a function for the button. Okay, so no, let's create a function to save each of these in a variable. Okay, your username will be in a variable and your password will be in a variable. Okay, so function, sorry, function. We have to name the function. We call it but call it username, user name, login. Cool. Uh, so well, to be honest, you just have to create a variable, but so let me think what I want to create. That's why it's good to write down everything I want to create and not just think on the fly. So username, I want to store the username in the variable, and then yeah, let's just to be honest, we don't have to create a function just yet. Well, we technically do if I want to like create the login, okay? And how do you do if tags here? If we can try, okay? we never did we never did a what you call this? We never did if statements yet. I never came to that part of my curriculum, but I'll try it anyway, okay? So let's set a variable. Okay, cool. We have to give these ACL elements like a name, like an ID basically. So I can reference them. ID, this will be username, and ID for this will be ID equals password, okay? Password. Cool. So yeah. So those can be the IDs. Let's now I don't want the variable to be the same name as the IDs. Although I'm pretty sure it can be. User name input. Username input. User name input. Let's username input equals document dot get element by ID. Username dot in HTML. Cool. Let's username be that whatever. No, not in the HTML. The value. The value. Cool. No, the value. Cool. Yeah, that's for username, and then we create a. You want to create two separate functions. No, let's just create one for username, one if something breaks then username. Let's create it all in one function. Let's password input, password input equals document, okay, with ID. I can do that. I can copy paste. I can copy paste here. Let's just no, let's not rewrite code that's already been written. This must be in context. Has to be because I probably referenced it there in context. I didn't. Hectic. No, the placeholder doesn't have to be in context, just the ID. Let's just split this up so I can see both what I'm working with. It's actually worse, to be honest. I got this inside. Password, okay, cool. Let's use a name. Is username one or two? To me, it's one. It's two words, okay? Finally, let's use name. And then, just to check, if username input equal to user, what do you do? I actually don't know use if statement is equal to how do if statements work? Actually don't have to use if statements. Let me not. For this, I want to learn how to use if statements. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to watch a video on how to use if statements in JavaScript. Then I'll come back. Give me a second. Okay, cool. watch a short video. Let's hope I know what I'm doing, okay? So, and I okay, cool. So I just changed the thingy, what you call this, the camera angle. So maybe we can, so you can, yeah, change the camera angle a bit. Let's see here. We can do this here. Right. Let me check my name. Blue switches, baby. Baby. Say it like a New Orleans person, baby. Blue switches, baby. Blue switches, baby. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, cool. Let me show my screen. Yeah, cool. So, I learned how to do a quick statement, okay? So we're gonna assign some username to me, okay? Baby. What do I do? Close it. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we'll assign some cool bits. So I want my username to be Yusuf and my password to be Yusuf, okay? So if user name input is equal to, tell me something's wrong. I don't know what. Yusuf. Oh, just want doesn't want this. Doesn't want this to get it rid of that. Doesn't want that. Okay, cool. If username input is equal to Yusuf, the condition must be alert. I just want to see if this function works. So I'm gonna alert it quick, okay? Alert, alert, username input, okay? No, let's try this. Cool, username. Yusuf. No, but how it's gonna know? I'm gonna have to program a quick button. So the button will have to have the function. How you assign function to a button? Function, function. I think it's function. How do you assign don't look like this. Quickly, give me a second. Oh my god, I'm pausing so much to go and stop and do stuff. Give me a second. Like, it didn't even have to be that fast. Like the guys just, I was like, oh, okay. So it's actually gone for like 1 second. On click is on click we want this function, okay? Username inputs. Okay. I just copy and paste because just like make a typo and you're like, what's up with my thing, and then you don't know. Camel text, please. Cool. On click, run this function. Cool. Not working. Okay, cancel that. Cool. So okay. Let's just remove the other functions. Okay, give me a second. We'll just run with that, okay? It must be exactly like the string. Okay, it's not working. Why not? Imagine, I don't even know what to do. Maybe I just put that button tag to. Oh, so it works. Okay, cool. So every time I say login, else, I never know how to do the else statement. Wow. I think else always comes here like Python. Else. I think it is like this. Alerts. Else. Alert. Do I have to put in quotation mark? I don't think so. Or maybe I just put in quotation marks. Okay, go. No, wrong. That's broken. The username has to equal that to get used to, okay? That's wrong. If username, oh, man, that's why. Username has to equal user. Yes, okay, cool. Now, let's see. It doesn't equal user. Not supposed to be saying user. I don't want the button to be a user button, you know? Give me 1 second. Yeah, let's go again, okay? Let's just check this out. Cool. So I think else doesn't require brackets, to be honest. Wait, I forgot. Legit, I forgot. Oh no, I know why I stopped. That was called. Okay. Let's just make sure it's saved. Now let's see how this works. Okay. So basically, all I remember is when I press, it shouldn't say user. So the login button is not a user button, only if it's pressed. Okay. If how do I say if the button is pressed? Let's use the input equals document. Okay, then by username. Okay, that gets the whatever I typed. Okay. If user input name is equal to that, else I want it to alert me to else alert that. Okay. Let's see. What about a syntax error? Let's just see. Still use of button. Shit. This assigns the value of whatever's in the input into the variable username input. Okay, cool. If maybe I know with Python you have to have it right there at the end, do that. With functions are like that. Is else indented or not? I'm sure these indents are literally just like whatever. Okay. If username input is equal to user alert else alert. So what's not working is my alert is my else, because maybe I just gotta do else functions. So give me a second again, I'm coming back. My God, dude, like what's cool? I realized I think so. I think I know what the issue is, and it's this, okay? Legit, it even took me like another 5 seconds, 10 seconds to figure it out. I remember in Python we do that. That's equal to 1 second. Wait. Sorry, I was grossly interrupted. But anyway, I realized like in Python, that's how, so equals is for assignment. Double equals is for comparison. And I think JavaScript is triple equals. But how I actually forgot this, and it's literally a mistake from my side, is that as you all know, I'm following Nathan's course. So we can even go on my YouTube videos to back what I'm about to say up now. I'm following Nathan's course, and I think I'm on course 11. And course 11 speaks of arithmetic. And I never came to arithmetic. I was like, oh, I legit couldn't do arithmetic. I'm like, what are you gonna tell me? X is assigned, let X equals 10, let Y equals 5, X plus Y equals, then you can see it's in that equals that I missed. So equals is a double or triple equal. Let's see triple equals. Because I remember when I was first learning JavaScript, something about triple equals. Let's see. I'm so happy, mate. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Cool, right? Cool. So unless it's Yusuf here, it's gonna say Yusuf, okay? Unless it's no Yusuf. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, cool. Let's go. 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 So we're gonna hard code one username, okay? It's gonna be my username is Yusuf, my password is Yusuf. I'm gonna hard code that. Go. If username, but how do you do and? I didn't yet. I deleted that, remember? So I just need to create a variable for the password inputs, Not or, and. Let's create my password as well, Baker. This and is not working. This and is not working. And is not working. Coming back. Ugh. Okay, cool. Some stuff. The and is wrong. Okay. To the new keyboard, I don't know where's my. What's that and sign called anyway? Anestheses. Let's see, what is that and sign called? Ampersand. Yeah, ampersand. So like this. Ampersand. Where the heck's my ampersand? Oh, some so it's syntax stuff here. Yeah, so basically, if the username and password is used, if the username is Yusuf and the password double maker, then it'll say I'm successfully logged in. If not, then it'll say incorrect. Okay, let's try this out. So username with the caps, let's minimize the caps. It's successfully logged in. Okay, and then let's say it's double maker. What? Okay, I created it. Okay, cool. So that's literally the entire video what I was trying to do. Try and create a login page with like and create the functionality for the login, okay, for the button. So basically it gets the text from the input field and then from both the input fields. And I've hard coded a user into it. So I've hard coded myself Yusuf Maker. But like of course it's going to be very difficult to hard code if you're giving this to everybody. So then ideally I put these names on a server or spreadsheet somewhere. And then like once you sign up, your name goes on the server, spreadsheet, text documents, whatever. And then like it pulls from that spreadsheet once you want to log in. So it pulls your associated username and password based on the logic that I've already built. But yeah, cool. So it works, okay? Let's just do some styling. Oh, like I've already done some stuff. No, CSS is not my forte right now. So I want to just put Yusuf in front of here and pass username in front of here, username. So like kind of create a redundancy to be honest. Because basically what's this gonna say is like it's gonna say username colon username field. That literally says username in there. So you know what it's for. But sometimes you need to create that kind of redundancy. So let's see if I can create it. Here, okay. Let's see if I can create it here. Inputs. Please create username. Input. So we can create another paragraph tag. We want just so we can close it to be honest. Let's see what happens if we do that. So okay. Just that as we start even correct. Yeah, exactly. It would work as well. Okay, cool. And then creates a redundancy, blah, 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 blah. And I'm pretty sure there's a better way of doing this. I'm just doing the way that works for me and the fastest. I literally just thought of that myself right now. So yeah, so username password. So it's like a redundancy. You have username there and you have your chair. Okay, let's just make some like grammatic. grammatical changes here. Then you save that. Username, password, login. And then we sorted. Like, what? Yeah, okay, cool. Didn't say username. Password. Username or password incorrect. Why? Oh, we don't have a spelling error. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so logged in. But yeah, I'm so happy about this login page, okay? Later, we'll chat again.